Chalo, sir. So again, very good evening to everybody, and I hope I'm audible as well as visible to everyone. I hope you guys can hear me, see me very clearly. So just a quick yes or no on whether I'm audible as well as visible, and we will start with the sectional mock for today. So again, welcome everybody. Very good evening. So now, just before I start, let me just talk to you guys about one simple thing. That is the new feature. Most of you already know this, but just for those who are joining us for the first time. So this is the new feature in our application, exclusive for super elite users. That is the reattempt mode. So you can reattempt every mock in our platform actually twice. So this is just in this, like just before this exam season, I feel this particular like feature, it is going to be very helpful for you guys. You can actually give every mock twice, but again, this is not available for everyone. If you are one of our existing super elite users, this is actually free, like available without any extra charges to you. This is absolutely free for for those who are our existing super elite users. Okay, now without any delay, so I just wanted to convey this. Let's move into our questions. So first question of the day is this one. So as always, we'll try to solve as many questions as possible, and I'll give you 40 seconds to solve the first question of the day. Jaldi se sir, let's start with this question. The first question, 40 seconds time, sir. You have 40 seconds to solve this. Jaldi se sir, solve. Very quickly, let's solve, sir. Chalo, sir. Need answers? Need answers? Everyone? Need answers, sir? Chalo. Sir, AD is a tangent to a circle and ABC is the secant. If AB is this, BC is this, then find the length. Okay, sir. Chalo. Let's make the circle and let's see. So this is the circle. AD is the tangent. Okay. AD is your tangent. Let's say this is AD, sir. And ABC is the secant. So definitely A is the point, which is the, like A must be this point, sir. Because if A is this point, because AD means either this can be A, this can be D, or vice versa. But if I take this as A, this I cannot draw my secant. Secant drawing is impossible. So very naturally, this must be this. This must be, sir, A. So this is A, B, and C. This is secant, sir. Now they are saying AB is given as 8. This is 8, sir. And BC is 10, sir. That means this is 10. They're asking the length AD. Sir, this is a very basic question of tangent secant theorem. Tangent secant theorem is saying AD square is equal to AB into AC, sir. So just put down the values. So AD square is equal to 8 into 10. So which is AD square is 80. So AD has to be square root of 80, sir. Now again you will say, sir, ये कितना है नहीं पता. एक second. Length of, अच्छा सॉरी एक्सट्रीमली सॉरी. अरे AC है ना सर, AC is 18 ना, extremely sorry. AC is 18, sir. Sorry, extremely sorry. Sir. So AC is 18 means you see AD square, just this I can write 2 into 9, sir. This is 2 into 9. Give this 2 to this. So it becomes 16 into 9, sir. So AD will be 4 here, 3 here, sir. So your answer becomes a 12. So your answer becomes option number 4, that is 12. That's your answer, sir. That is most definitely your answer. Option number 4, that is 12 centimeter. So first question from geometry based on tangent secant theorem. That's your correct answer. Very, 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 very simple question. Right, sir? Chalo, let's move on to the second question. Equilateral triangle and something given. Chalo. So again, 40 seconds is the time. Jaldi se sir banate. Again, just like the last mock, I've started from the advanced part rather than the arithmetic. I know many of you don't like it. That's the reason I've started it from here. Chalo, sir. So you need to get comfortable. You need to come out of the comfort zone, right? So that's the whole point. That is the whole point. Need answers from you guys. Need answers from you guys. Need a few answers from you guys. Chalo. What is the perimeter of an equilateral triangle whose height is this? Sir, height is root 3 by 2 into side. And perimeter means they're asking 3 times the A. Now, if you look at, not everything you need to do like normally the calculations, mathematics. Sir, 1.73 and 3.46. If you look at this, sir, it is into 2. 1.7, 17 twos are 34, 3 twos are 6. So meaning ultimately, this can I write? This is nothing but 2 root 3. 2 times root 3 because root 3 is this. So this is 2 times of this, that is 2 root 3. So root 3 cancels. A is 4, sir. My answer is 3 times 4, that is 12. Again, option 4, 12 is the answer. Again, option 4, 12 is the answer. You see, very, very, very simple stuff. But again, keeping this simple, like thinking about this, simple is the hardest thing to do, always remember. Perfect. Moving on, sir. Moving on, sir. Sphere question, sir. Let's do. Sir, again, sir. Acha, I'm giving you a minute's time in this case. Chalo, 1 minute, sir. Jaldi se banao. Everybody, please do it very, very, very quickly. Exactly a minute. Exactly a minute's time, sir. Exactly 1 minute. And again, if you're liking the session, please do hit the like. Please do hit the like. And again, I need answers. Please comment your answers. That's the reason I've given you more time in this question. Chalo, 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 sir. Answers, answers, answers. Need answers. No answers as of now. No answers as of now, sir. Chalo. Radius of a sphere and that of the base of a cylinder are equal. Okay. Ratio of the radius of the base of a cylinder and the height of the cylinder is given. Achha. What is the ratio of the volume of the sphere to that of the cylinder? Badhiya. So radius of a sphere and the base of the cylinder is equal, sir. Okay, sir. So both are R, let's say. Both are R. Okay, but I'll not, again, I'll make a change. Sir, again, R, if it cancels, sir, why then take R? Sir, let's take 1 and 1. And not only 1, sir, because there is a ratio 3 ratio 4, where you see the radius of the base is 3 and the height is 4. So let's do one thing, na, sir. In dono ko, sir, rather than taking 1, let's take 3 and 3. Na. That way, my height will be 4 directly, I can say. Dekho, this is how we are like reducing our effort. So they are asking the ratio of the volumes. So volume कैसे निकलेगा sir? Sir, volume ratio will be 4/3 pi. I'm taking it for the sphere first. R cube, R is 3, sir. So 3 cube ratio. Sir, this is for cylinder, sir. Pi R square H. Pi into R square, that is 3 square. H is what, sir? H was 4. Done, sir. That is what they are asking. Chalo, calculate pi. 3 cubes are 3. This is square gone. 3 gone, sir. 4 gone. So ultimately the ratio is 1:1, sir. Meaning their volume is also the same. Their volume is also the same. 1:1 is the answer. Arghamita, very good evening. Yes, 1:1 is the correct answer. Very, very, very good evening. This is definitely the correct answer. देखो सब कुछ कट गया सर, everything. Now again, if you are comfortable by taking R, H and stuff, take that. उसमें भी क्या होगा? Everything will cancel. Ultimately, at the end of the day, they're asking ratio, so nothing will change. Sir, fourth question. Everyone, this is very simple actually. चलो, 40 seconds again. 40 seconds time, sir. जल्दी से sir बनाओ. Please tell me the answer. Please tell me the answer to this question. How many metallic spheres, each of diameter 6 centimeter, can be melted to mold into a solid cylinder of diameter 8 centimeter and height of 18 centimeter? Sir, sir, melted and recasted wala part. Arghamita is saying 8. Very good. Very, very good. Chalo, badhiya. Let's see. Let's see, sir. Let's see. Sir, melting and recasting, I told you one thing. What happens? Volume is same. Melting and recasting means volume remains the same from two of the different situations. Sir, metallic spheres ka volume should be equal to the volume of the cylinder. Solid cylinder ka volume, diameter given, so radius is half, radius is 4. So pi into 4 square, r square into h is 8. So please understand, as both are having, both sphere as well as cylinder, all having the curved area. So both will have pi in the formula. So you see, I have not put down the value of pi. If you have one structure that has pi, another structure that does not have pi. Let's say, for example, you have a cuboid and a circle and a sphere. You have a cuboid or you have a prism and a cylinder, where one structure has pi in the formula, other doesn't. Then you need to put the value. But again, if both has pi or both doesn't have pi, or in case both has pi, so you, in that case you put pi, because pi will cancel. Now, this volume should be equal to the volume of the metallic spheres. Sir, how many spheres? I don't know. N number of spheres. Volume of each sphere, diameter 6 means 4/3 pi. R cube, radius will be half, that is 3, sir. 3 cube. Calculate kar lo. Pi cancels. 4. Another, sir. Sir, this 3 meaning, sir, 9 remaining. 9 twos are 18. Anything else? No, sir. So n will be, sir, this 4 here, this 2 here. That means the answer is 8. Option number 3 is the answer. Option number 3, 8 is the correct answer. Very, 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 very simple stuff. You see. Very, 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 very. देखो दो line का questions. Right? Moving on, sir. Moving on. Sir, time, speed and distance. Time, speed and distance. Very common type of question. Very common type of question. 40 seconds, sir. जल्दी से बताओ. Tell me the answer, please. Please tell me the answer, sir. Time, speed and distance. Very simple type. चलो सर, चलो. Answers. देखो, there are many multiple ways to go. I'll use a technique which everybody knows. There is a shorter technique than that, but again, it is also very short. 19-20 का फर्क है. But again, everybody will understand that. कैसे sir? So everybody knows this particular simple logic. S1 by S2 will be equal to T2 by T1. Speed ratio and time ratio, they are inversely proportional. So that's the whole, that's the basic concept. If distance is constant, speed and time, they're inversely proportional. That is the most basic concept. This, the whole chapter depends on this concept. उसी को लेते हैं sir. 60, so usual speed, let's say, that is x. So speed 2, the second speed is 60% of this. So meaning a 3/5 of this. That is equal to time 1. Time 1, I don't know, I'm taking t. Time 2 will be, sir, this much minutes. Late means this much minutes more. So this is how much more? 1 hour 40 minutes, meaning 1 hour 40 minutes means 2/3 of an hour. So 5 by 3 hours more. So meaning the time is t plus 5 by 3. Now you see this only looks weird. एक second. This is giving me trouble. एक second. Okay. Now you see this x is actually there. Just for show it will cancel. So it is 5 divided by 3 is t plus 5 by 3 divided by t. Sir. Cancel, like calculate and cancel. 5t is equal to 3t plus, sir, 5. So t becomes, sir, 5 by 2. T was what? The usual time, sir. That was the question. So 5 by 2 means 2 whole 1 by 2. Usual time that they were asking. 2 whole 1 by 2. Yes, Arghamita, A is most definitely the correct answer. A is most definitely your correct answer, sir. Now you see, more conceptual, the shorter way. Sir, ऐसे भी सोच सकते हो कि why? Just ask yourself this question, why? If you get the answer to this why, that is the shortest way of solving this question. But again, many people, especially who have not done this, like this particular chapter very conceptually, they might get into a little bit of trouble in this method. So that is why I've given you a very generalized, but again, you see, this is also a couple of lines only, not more than that. Not more than that, sir. Perfect. Moving on, sir. Sir, trains question, very popular, but very simple. I'm giving you 1 minute for this. I'm giving you a minute for this. Please solve. Please solve, everyone. But again, I need answers. I need answers from everyone. Need answers from everyone. Panmay, yeah, yes, a little late. Okay, no worries, no worries. Chalo. I'm also feeling a lot better now. Answer, sir. Arghamita has given answer. Very good, Arghamita. Very, very good, Arghamita. Chalo, chalo, chalo. A train crosses 400-meter long platform. Arey yaar, fits. Just a second, Rucha. 400-meter long platform in 50 seconds. It crosses another 600-meter long platform in 60 seconds. What are the length and the speed of the train, sir? Achha. Dekho. Sir, there are, you can make equations and solve. That's the basic most way to go. But what I'm asking, or how I always ask everyone to think, dekho, this is not a formula way shortcut or anything. Very simple way. Sir, in one instance, the train is taking 50 seconds. The other instance, the train is taking 60 seconds. Meaning, sir, 10 seconds more. Meaning, sir, 10 seconds more. Ask yourself one very simple question. Why? Q. Why the train is taking 10 seconds more, sir? Yeah, but me, thank you so much, brother. I'm also hoping that. ask yourself the question why. Please understand. Because when the train is crossing the first platform, then also the train is crossing its own length plus the length of the platform. When the train is crossing the second platform, then also the train is crossing its own length plus the length of the platform. So then why this 10 seconds extra? Because the second platform is longer in length, sir. So meaning in these extra 10 seconds, can I say the train is crossing this extra 200 meters? You see the second platform is 200 meters extra long. So that means can I say extra 10 seconds may the train goes actually 200 meters, sir. So meaning, sir, speed of the train is whatever the train goes in 1 second. That is 20 meters, sir. So speed of the train is 20 meter per second. Sir, how to convert? Sir, into 18 by 5. Why I'm converting? Because all the options are in this. Calculate kar lo, sir. 5 fours are this. So 4 18s are 72 kilometers per hour. And as all the options, these values are different, I don't need to check anything. This is my answer. I don't even need to check the length of the train. I don't even need to do the first part of the question. Only the second part is giving me the answer. Because you see, all four options are giving me different values for speed. If two options were there having 72 to 72, then I had to check the first part. But actually, mein dekho, they have asked us to only do the second part. Utna hi kar lo, that they are saying that is enough. That is more than enough. You do not need to do anything more. Perfect, sir. Perfect, everyone. Perfect, sir. Moving on. Moving on, sir. Moving on, sir. Hopefully, this is clear. Always, dekho. This is the shortest way of solving this. So shortest way, सोचना ही बहुत ज्यादा कुछ है ही नहीं से दो दो लाइन का क्वेश्चंस. Next one. Sir, chalo, 1 minute. 1 minute, sir. 1 minute, sir. Everyone, please solve. Everybody, please solve. Please solve this, sir. Please solve, sir. Argamita is saying 12. Okay, okay. What about others? Others. बताओ, sir. Any other answers? Panmay is also saying 12. Very good. Chalo, chalo, chalo. Chalo. A and B can empty a full tank in 18 and 24. Okay. Pipe C alone can fill in 36. If the tank is this much full and all three pipes are open together, then in how many hours the tank will be emptied? Chalo, perfect. Start karte, sir. Three pipes. Sir, first things first. Efficiency ratio is 1 by time ratio. Sir, 1 by 18. Sorry. This is pipe B, sir, 1 by 24. Time is 24. And this is 1 by 36. So this is the efficiency ratio, sir. This is your efficiency ratio. Sir, 6 seconds, 6 threes, 6 fours, 6 6. Now, sir, how to do this directly, sir? Instead of 3, right, multiply these two, 24. Instead of 4, multiply these two, 18. Instead of this, multiply these two. ये है efficiency ratio, but again, sir, we can cancel a little bit. 6 twos are this, 3s are this, 4s are this. So ये आया 4 ratio 3 ratio 2. This is the actual efficiency ratio. Now total volume we need to figure out. Total volume will be, you go with A or B or C, anything goes. So let's go with C. 2 into, so every hour C is like filling in 2 liters of water. and it is completely fill, it is taking 36 hours. So total volume must be 2 into 36. That is 72 liters, sir. Done. Done, sir. Now go with the story. Now, just understand these two are outlet pipes. These two are outlets. They are minus. And this is the inlet pipe, sir. See. Now, if all three are open together every hour, what will happen, sir? A and B will cause 4 plus 3, 7 liters to go out, minus 7. And C will fill, plus 2, meaning C will fill 2 liters. So ultimately, 5 liters of water will kind of empty. 5 liters of water will kind of go out every hour. Now, the tank is not full. It is only 5/6 full. So that volume of water in the tank is 5/6 of the total capacity, that is 72. अभी इसको खाली करेगा कौन खाली करेगा when all three are like open together, meaning they are emptying at the rate of 5 liters per hour. So this will be the time taken. So 6, how much, sir? 6 12s of this, sir. 5, say 5 cancels, so the answer will be 12 hours, sir. The answer will be 12 hours, which is option number 4. Done. Simple question, very simple question. Just go do 3 4 lines, that's all. Very simple question of pipe and cistern. Moving on, sir. So, a question based on ages. A very simple question based on ages. 30 seconds time, sir. You should not take even 30 seconds. वो भी नहीं लगना चाहिए, but still I'm giving you. Answers, 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 everyone. Time is up. Time तो up है, sir. Need answers? अच्छा, देखो. There is a risky game that we can play here. क्या risky games? Sir, first things first. So they are asking again ratio. So it's better, sir, you start from one of the ratios and you calculate the normal method. But sir, if you look at the ratios or the options given, looking at these options, we are very like I'm at least very much certain that these are the ratios itself or the ages itself. देखो 31 is prime number, 3370 they are co-prime, 3441, so they are already very weird type of numbers, right? So let's try ना sir, let's try to start from here ना. एक बार इसको ही करके एक बार देखते हैं ना सर, एक बार ट्राई करके देखते हैं. If that doesn't work, then we can definitely, the basic method we already always have, we can always get back to that. At least let us give it a try now. So I'm starting with this option. Chalo, let's. So this is the ratio 5 years from now. So meaning, sir, the 5 years or the present age is, if I take this as the exact age, it will be 29 and 5 years, this is 36. Achha. 7 years hence, their ages will be in the ratio this. 7 years hence, it will become 36. Acha. And like this will become, sir, 7, this will become, sir, how much? Sir, 43. No, sir. You see, we are kind of, we were like whatever we are doing, this is not matching. This is not matching with whatever we were thinking. So options ने हमसे धोखा कर दिया. It is not really matching. This 5:6 आना चाहिए था, आया नहीं. So क्या करें? तो देखिए, then again the only thing that means ये सर हमसे धोखा हो गया. तो that means we cannot use the shortcuts. तो हमको normal करना है. Now normal करने का, what is the best way to do it normally? What is the best way to do this type of questions normally? Remember, sir, you have two ratios. Na? Start from any of the ratios and make your equation with the other ratio. Start from any of the ratios. Sir, I'm starting from this ratio, let's say. If you want, you can start from here as well. No worries. So I'm taking my ratios this. So A and B's ages, I'm taking 4x and 5x. Now these are the ages when 7 years ago. So present ages will be, sir, plus 7 plus 7. Now this particular, the other ratio, this is 7 years hence, meaning, sir, plus 7 plus 7. This ratio is given as 5:6. देखो equation बन गया. So again, I started from this equation, this ratio. I made my equation with the other ratio. बन तो गया, sir. We have been able to do this. चलो calculate कर लेते. So this is 14 and 14. 6, 24, 25. अच्छा चलो, let's do it. Let's not step jump. But ये हम नहीं करेंगे. ठीक है. So 25x. देखो, at the end of the day, this is giving you x equal to 14. At the end of the day, you are getting x is equal to 14. So ultimately, the ages, the present ages were this, na? The present ages were this, but they are asking 5 years from now. That means they are asking 4x plus 7 was this plus 5, and meaning plus 12, ratio 5x plus 12. This is what they are asking. But how sir, x is 14. So 56 plus 12, 68. And this is, sir, 56 and something. So this is 70 and, sir, 82. So the ratio between 68 and 82, sir. This will be the answer. करोगे तो 41 and this is 34. So this is the answer. Option number 1. Option number 1. थोड़ा घुमाए हुआ question. But again, always understand, sir, the technique that I have just told you guys. If you get stuck, normal shortcuts वगैरह doesn't work. This method will never kind of, आपको कभी धोखा नहीं देगा. Start with one of the ratios, make your equation with the other ratio. Never it will kind of give you dhoka. Perfect. Moving on, sir. Sir, tell me, sir. एक line में, I'm not giving you timer. It should be done in 10 seconds. It should be done in 10 seconds. 10 seconds में बनना चाहिए, sir. You should be able to do it in 10 seconds. देखो, 13 multiples of 3, sir. 13 multiples of 3 I've told you. So that's an AP. Because you see 3, 6, 9 and so on. Average will be always what? 13 means it's an odd number. Average is always the middle number of any AP I told you. If that was 13 ke jagah 14, so middle two number ka average. So middle number 13 means, sir, you leave 6 to the left, you leave 6 to the right. The seventh number is the average. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, seventh number is the average. That's your average, sir. Correct? So seventh multiple of 3 is 21. That's the answer, sir. कुछ नहीं चाहिए, sir. 21, 21, yes, absolutely. Panmei, Arghamita, very, 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 very good. Very, 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 very good. Tell me, sir, first 14 multiples of 3 का आंसर क्या होगा? What will be the answer for 14 multiples? Or rather, let's ये अच्छा दिखाने के लिए 16 multiples करते हैं. Why? Otherwise, ना ये इधर like it will look very much बहुत गंदा दिखेगा. 16 means, sir, 8 and 9. These are the middle terms. So this means 8 and 9 will be the middle terms. So 8th multiple of this 24, 9th is 27. So average will be, sir, by 2. That will be the answer. 8th multiples are 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are this. Or you can directly say 3 into 8.5. Because 8 and 9 ka like average. Perfect, sir. Perfect, sir. That is how you should proceed. That is how you should proceed as well. Sir, 10th question. 10th question, sir. Do it, everyone. Acha, एक second. Just a second. 40 seconds. Do it. Do this, sir. Very, very quickly. Please do this. Please do this. Very, very quickly. चलो सर, चलो sir. B का investment is not given. अरे 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 प्रिंटिंग मिस्टेक. रुक जाओ. B invested of the remaining capital. So this is how the question. My typist has made an error. My typist has made an error. चलो सर, चलो सर, चलो सर. देखो देखो सर. So 33 whole 1 by 3 meaning sir 1/3. This means 1/3 sir. Correct. Achha. So let's start with na 3x as the total investment. So 1/3 means sir A, B and C. अच्छा एक काम करो 3x है ना सर. So let's start with 9x. So 9x का 1/3. 1/3 of 9x A had invested. That means A had invested 3x. B invested, so remaining is 6x. B invested remain 33 whole 1 by 3 of the remaining, meaning 1/3 of this. That means 2x. And C invested the remaining, meaning remaining is 4x. ऐसे सोच लो. So meaning the ratio is 3:2:4. That's the ratio ABC. Now they are asking if at the end of the year profit is this, then then if the total profit, achha, C exceeds the profit of B by what? Then the profit of C exceeds B by what, sir? Sir, that means, please understand, C's profit will be more than B's profit by 2 parts. Out of how many parts, sir? 4 plus 2, 6 plus 3, 9 parts of total profit 20 to 50. कर लो calculation. 9, अरे 2s are 18, sir. 22, 9 2s are 18, 45, 5 9s are this, 0. So this will be 4,500, sir. 4,500. Option number 2 is the correct answer. Option number 2, 4,500. Arghamita, yes, perfect. Perfect, Arghamita. Second, it's a printing mistake, a typing mistake from my typist. Okay, moving on, sir. Sir, very good quality and very popular type question from CGL. CGL में बहुत आता है ये type. This question, this type gets asked very, very often in CGL. And this is itself is a PYQ. This itself is a PYQ, sir. देखो, 3 partners share the profit. Profit sharing ratio is given. Invested, so the time ratio is also. Time is given means time ratio is given. Capital ratio they are asking. Sir, investment ratio into time ratio gives you the profit sharing ratio, sir. We all know this. So that means from here, can I say investment ratio or capital ratio will be, sir, profit sharing ratio by time ratio, sir. So let's do it. Let us understand this. Kaise, sir? Sir, there are three persons, right? Three partners. Let's name them ABC. Let us name them ABC. So they have invested. The profit sharing ratio is 9, 8, 11. So this is PSR. And time ratio is 4, 6, 18. 4, 6, 18. So investment ratio will be what, sir? Sir, can I say PSR by TR? So 9 by 4. Let's do one thing. This is 2, this is 3, this is, sorry, this is 9, sir. So 9 by 2 ratio, 8 by 3 ratio, 11 by 9, sir. This is the answer, but again, I cannot keep the answer like this. I have to kind of do some magic. Kaise? So 9 2s are 18 will be the LCM, multiply kar do. So this will become 9. So 9 9s are 81. Ratio. 81 means my answer can be 3 or 1. Thoda calculation. 18 is a 3, this is a 6. 6 8s are 48. Sir. देखो बाकी करना ही नहीं. This cannot be the answer. So the only possible answer is option number 1. Option number 1 is the only possible answer, sir. Correct? Yes, Argamita. Very good. Panmay, very, very good. Very, 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 very good. Acha. Now, let us take a very quick break and let me tell you guys about this. एक छोटा सा चीज के बारे में I want to just talk to you guys about. Many of you guys already know this, but again, if you don't, so again, we have just launched this for our like exclusive for our super elite candidates. If you go into the courses section, na, so you will see there is something called SSC Super Practice, right? This is something that we have launched just before your examinations. So this is, if you are one of our super elite candidates, this is, you will be getting access to this completely for free. So you will get 1,000 plus tests along with total 6 plus 1 speed improvement test if you count, 7 different levels of QRE covering both tier 1 as well as tier 2. Total as of now, the test count is 1,012. So just if you go into this, na, you see if I'm talking about quant, so every topic is covered. So let's say we are talking about simple interest. You go into this, you will see level 1, level 2, level 3. So this will happen to every type of six, like kind of every topic. So 3 tests, different levels. Then again, past year questions you will get, most repetitive questions, my personal favorite. Then self-improvement and revision tests. So you will get, so this will be a very, very, very interesting practice tool. So if you are already one of our super elite like users, please take advantage of this because this is going to help you a lot for your examinations, especially the CGL, CHSL examinations, which are scheduled to start from the next month. So this is going to help you a lot in your preparation. So please do take advantage of this. Perfect, sir. So this was something I wanted to talk about. Also, another thing, all these things that we are doing. So let's say we have done so many questions, and also if you see, there are few different other questions that are left. So let us do this one before I go. This one question I want to do a couple questions more. This is one of the questions. Let's do. Then again, I'll talk about something else. Sir, let's do this one, sir. Let us do this one, please. चलो चलो चलो. A dishonest dealing. बहुत ही बढ़िया question है. Sir, I told you, whenever you see dishonest dealer questions, the best approach is to go by CPSP. Do not use any formula or anything. कुछ नहीं चाहिए, सिर्फ concept चाहिए. देखो sir, sells fruits at 20% profit. Okay, that means CP is 100, SP is 120. That is the meaning of 20% profit. uses 950 grams instead of kg. So meaning he is taking the money for 1 kg, meaning 1000 grams. He's saying, I'm giving you 1000 grams, give me money for 1000 grams. But actually from his own pocket, he is only giving you 950. So here also he is making some profit. What is the net profit? This is a PYQ from CGL 2024. लास्ट ईयर का ही क्वेश्चन है, मैंने कल ही उठाया है क्वेश्चन. सर कैलकुलेट कर लेते हैं. सर 100, दिस इज 10, this 0 gone. Calculation, this is 19, sir. This is, sir, 24. So 19 rupees CP, 24 rupees SP. Profit of 5 rupees, sir. Sir, 5 rupee profit, I like out of, sir, 19 rupees into 100, sir. So that means 500 divided by 19. You can do it like this, percent. Sir, kar lo calculation. Sir, 19 twos are 38, sir. So 38, 38, 38. So 120 bacha hai, right? 12, 120, sir. Correct, sir? So 19 6 to jayega hi, sir. 19 6 are this. So 26 point some percentage dekho. 26 point some percentage is option number 3. That's your answer. That is your answer, sir. 26.31. Yes, Arghamita Panme, you guys are absolutely correct. This is one question that I wanted to do. Another question, very, very, very good quality question. Again, though this is a question from tier 2 examination, this is CGL tier 2 ka question hai, POIQ. But again, if this comes in tier 1, if question is a little on the difficult side, this can come. So again, the concept should be known. This is a very, very, very unique concept. This is a very, very unique concept. Common terms ka koi concept. Common terms ka question hai. So I'll not do this now. Please understand. I am giving this question as homework to everyone. I'll discuss if anyone wants, I will discuss this in the next class. So again, I want everyone to comment down the answer below. So please, everybody, comment down the answer in the comment box. I will personally reply to the comments. This is, though this is a tier 2 question, but again, you must know the concept. You must know this concept because this is not a very simple concept, very specific concept of LCM. Okay? So that is something that was something I wanted to convey. Now, again, before I go, last one thing. So all the remaining questions I have, so there are so many questions left, right? Because every day I give you extra questions and all the notes if you want. Please understand all these class notes are downloadable. The instruction is given over here. You need to head to our app, go to the courses section, you will find this YouTube class PDF. There's a complete section to this. There's a complete section called YouTube class PDFs, and you can definitely, by date and time, you can filter out the content. So let's say if you need today's class, put in today's date and the time, 5 p.m. So you'll find the class, and the name of the class will be exactly at par with whatever is the name of the class in the YouTube. Same name rahega idhar. Perfect, sir. This is from sequence series, brother. The last question was from sequence series. In my foundation batches, in the booster courses, I have solved those questions. How to, let me say this, like if anybody wants to know, the same question is very popular in JEE mains as well. ठीक है, the number of common terms, sum of common terms. So ये थोड़ा advanced level का question है. That is why I told you guys this is an interesting question. I want everyone to solve this. Again, this is the question. ठीक है? So again, thank you so much. I hope you have loved the class. If you have, please do. If you have any feedback, anything, please do. Feel free to share it in the comment section below. So again, I'll see you guys next week. Till then, please take care and thank you so much. Bye-bye.